Custom exteriors installation team was very professional. They've done this a lot of times. They're specialists in what they do. We had the window team and the door team and the siding team, each really knowing exactly what they needed to do, and the outcome was great. So we're really happy.
With custom exteriors, the entire process went smoothly. I just recently spoke with Kevin Gundry, the owner, about our doors and how our next project's going to be to replace those doors, and we can't wait for custom exteriors to do it.
Custom exteriors customer service is superior. Kevin Gundry takes a personal interest in the project. We've met him on many occasions. He's come out at the beginning of the project, during the project, and he's always available to us when we've wanted to call him after the project. The team is always great. They come out, they're very respectful, they're clean. The project is, they leave the house cleaner than they showed up. Because of our experience with custom exteriors, we recommend them to all of our friends, and I'm sure we'll be using them again on our future remodel projects.